In this video, I'm going to show you how to do long runs of Flooret flooring very quickly and very easy when you're installing this vinyl floor. So the trick is to create your row and connect all of them together with scrap pieces that you've will obviously have throughout your project. Connect those together, and when you connect them, as you pull the piece in, do it with a little bit of force so that your seam is nice and pretty. And when you put your, I just call these claves, llaves, keys. When you put your key in here, your lock, go ahead and tap it with your hammer to make sure that everything is even. And if it's a little off on this side, tap on that side. If it's a little off on that side, obviously tap on that side. So that's your key, if you will, or your lock, depending on your point of view. And you want to do that at each individual location throughout your floor. So that sets you up now to do one single run of flooring. My final piece here is short, so I'm actually going to glue that in. I normally don't go with short runs at the end, short pieces at the end, but I like how it's looking now, so I'm going to go ahead and glue that in. And I'll have another video to talk about the easiest way to glue the florets as well. So there's your piece, and once you have that down, what you're going to do is you're going to rotate those pieces in. Can you help me, Kaniko? So the most important thing as you bring your floor together is not to start here. You want to start at one of your intersections. Otherwise, this can separate a little bit, and that's going to cause a lot of problems. So as you roll these in here, you're going to start here. So basically, I'm going to take these. There we go. I need to get a little bit of tension off here. So I'll do that by moving the floor over a little bit. There we go. And now that I have it ready, I'm going to bring the floor up and just put a lot of pressure. And I see that it started here. It's a little bit off here, which is fine, but this piece, the very first piece, is in. So now I'm just going to go down and start pushing that in. Like that, and you'll hear it click sometimes as far as that goes. And if you notice here at this joint, as I put it in, the joint is perfect. There's no separation. I'm not going to have to hit it from the opposite end and bring these together. That method with the Flooret I don't like because these have a tendency to bend at the intersections. So basically, I'm going to do this the whole way down. Sometimes you'll get a piece that won't go in, and when that happens, just play with it a little bit. Go back and forth, find a spot where it wants to naturally go in, and just bring your whole floor in. Now, for the sake of time, I'm not going to show the whole, here's one that doesn't want to go quite in, so I'm going to move down a little bit and just pop that, and now it's in. So, for the sake of time, I'm not going to show you the other four pieces, but that being said, you see how easy that is. Now, when I have my final piece in, I'm then going to come along, apologize for the glove there, I'm going to come along, take a hammer, and again, with one of these key pieces, I'm going to hit that, and that's going to bring my floor down, so there's no space here. So I'm just going to tap along here. So that's the method for quick installation of Flooret runs.